Hey guys, check out the great prices from my friend helifreak592. Yeah, this linkage set will run you about $5 shipping and $5. Wonder what else he has for sale here. Let's see. See other items. Oh yeah, he's in stock. Body post. Oh, genuine bullet connectors, new ones. Watch that. Yeah, too much. At least. What else you got here? Eggs. 60. What kind is that? Going down cheap too. $2.50 stabilizer, 99¢. Oh, DLC. And look at these prices. These Pro DLC. Oh yeah, my buddy needs some of those. I had to get them from my pal Escobar. Let's see here. Yeah guys, so check out helifreak592. As you can see, he has some screaming prices on this stuff here. Ooh, $4.50 DFC. Share blocks. Interesting. If he says DLC, I gotta say ooh-wee. No sir, but look at that. Look at that. And he's in Florida now. Pro frame, genuine line. Oh wow, DFC grips. Here's it. Oh, a line feathering shaft. Wow, look at that price. Gotta get up on them. Never know when you're gonna need some spars. Oh yeah, I am the highest bidder. Thank you very much. What else you got there? 500 Pro DFC thrust bearings. Main shaft spacer. DFC. Oh, look at that. 3 connectors. 6 pieces. That's nice. I have to bid on it too. Wow, $1.36. I should buy that for a spare part. 209 450 Pro main shaft. Better in the shaft. Ooh, Servo. DS520. Man, you got some nice stuff this week here. Honda King Multi rotor control board for your quadcopters. 40 frame arm. Energy servo tester. 250. Oh, that's a nice canopy. I got enough canopies, but I might have to take that one too. Oh yeah. Pro DLC swash plate. Guess we have to watch that too. Our bed is complained. DFC swash plate. It only has 2 balls on the swash plate. Pretty nice. Definitely must have to look at that. 1.3 hex. bad. Screw those line servos, too expensive. 500 swash plate. Genuine align. Oh yeah. Got it going on this week. Line 5 Pro blade grips. DFC. Oh, look at that 250 governor. Manual with goodies and hardware. 700. 3G, oh yeah. Those will be $20 for the auction is over, man. 250 motor. Ooh, orange 6-channel receiver. And Futaba compatible Spectrum. Oh, satellite. Spectrum. One is the orange for the Futaba man. Ooh, what line. Digital pitch gauge. $11. Oh, that's incredible. Watch that one. Let's see here. DFC 450. Ooh, shoot. A line headset. That's a must-have, brother. 13 bids, oh boy, it's going down. See here, universal LED. Oh, you just picked up stock this week, man. No fillers, y'all gotta get over here to. You got DLC for the 450, 250. Oh, the whole hookup. Head, squash, DFC, 3GX. Complete. $70. Wow. Battery LED, no power meter tester. DPD boy, you got some stuff this week, man. Let me see. Oh, nice. Just thought I'd share helifreak592's eBay with you fellers. Check him out. Thanks for watching.